Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my daily Wordle tutorial, 7:55 a.m. Friday, December 12th, 2025. TGIF, happy TGIF. And we're going to go with saucy this time. We've done sauce the last 3 days. Let's twist it a bit for Friday and see if we can get that Y in the first guess. So let's see, lots of green. No, I bet there's going to be an E there. So we did get the U and C, though, green, both in their respective positions. So great start. Let's use my ETL and Sherlock system. I'll write it in the description for you to memorize. My system is different. It goes backwards, unlike most systems on the internet for Wordle. So it's a little different. We reverse engineer ETL and Sherlock, E-T-A-O-I-N. So the next 5 most common letters, E-T-O-I-N in the English alphabet. So now let's make over these 2 letters in those positions, respectively, and 3 of these letters. So let's start with the E. Educe, E-D-U-C-E, is that a word? Educe. Hang on to that. Truce, T-R-U-C-E. Okay, we got truce, we got educe, and truce. Wow, could we get it in 2? That'd be pretty cool. O-N-O-U-C. Huh. Let's see if educe is a word, and then if not, we'll go with truce. Okay. And it is a word, and we didn't get anything. I really should have thought about that because the double E, I shouldn't have picked that. So kind of rushed into that instead of truce. But life goes on. Okay, after a second guess, always a good time to review vowels. A and E are out. I and O still on the board. Got the U. Sometimes Y is out. So if there's another vowel, it's going to be another U, an I, or an O. So now let's think if there's a U here or an I or an O. I'm not seeing it. So that might be a K. U-C-K, like truck. Truck actually works. Don't want to guess that K, though, that Scrabble letter. But let's use my ETL Sherlock system again. E-T-A-O-I-N. S, Sherlock, S-H. So the next 5 most common letters, T-O-I and H. So now let's go through the alphabet. And T, truck, does work. So let's hold on to that, see if we can't find anything else. O, I, N, back to that again. So let's go with truck. And there you go. Wow. Okay, so that was a little bit lucky. So, in review, saucy. Shouldn't have gone with the Y. Did it have a little Friday fun. Educe, which by the way, what does educe mean? It's going... Oh, whatever. We can look it up later. And we got it in 3. So sometimes you got to take a chance guessing that K. So yesterday's Wordle giveaway in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and a half, 1. We got in 3 as well was guess. Yeah, we guessed in 3. We got the guess. And we started out with sauce. And then our second word was, what do we have? Sauce blank guess. Sauce. I don't know. But if you want to see the second guess, you can go back and watch that video. Well, that's it. This was a fast one. We're under 4 minutes. And we will see you tomorrow for the weekend. Ooh. Bye.